All right, just got to Shinzo. Gonna cut out the stickers. Okay, so I totally forgot to show the laminating process and the cutting process. I just finished cutting, but the laminating is pretty straightforward. It's putting one piece of sticker onto another sticker. Got clear on clear when it was printed on clear. So the ink right there is sandwiched between two clear pieces of vinyl there. I'll give you guys a clip if I have one laying around of me laminating some other stuff, and so maybe another cut one as well. All right, got the stickers printed, cut, masked, and time to head over to the garage. All right, so this is just freshly cleaned up. Let's put this back down as my guide. So what I was using originally, I used some alcohol at first to clean the area. It's pretty bad around here. And then taped it up to make sure I got a guide for when I'm putting on the new decal. Used this adhesive eraser attachment on a drill. Works really well. It was much bigger when I first got it, just because I did use it for all the other parts. But yeah, it looks great. Afterwards, I had to clay bar it a bit. There was a lot of dirt and grime that was just stuck on. I couldn't get off. Clean it up with some alcohol afterwards again, just to make it nice and clean so the decal can stick. And let's get onto it. There we have it. It looks pretty good on there. Looks almost too good just because the rest of the truck does not look as good. But yeah, happy with what it is. I would like to get this one redone. The only thing is I will need to find someone who can speak kanji and Japanese to help me get this part redone as well. Also find the font and everything. It'll take a while, but one step closer to my dream acti. All right.